Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable after-purchase survey forms with Typeform step-by-step clearly. To begin, log into your Typeform account. Navigate to the Typeform dashboard. Click on Create a Typeform to start a new project. Choose a template or select Start from Scratch. If you choose a template, find one that suits your needs. Click on the template to open the editor. If starting from scratch, select a blank form. Add a title for your after-purchase survey. Begin by clicking on the plus icon to add a question. Select the question type that fits your survey best. Common types include multiple choice, rating, and open-ended questions. Formulate your questions to gather relevant feedback. Use clear and concise language. Consider using both open and closed questions. Add logic jumps if you want to customize the survey based on responses. This allows for a more dynamic experience. Once you've added your questions, personalize the design. Click on Design to explore styles and themes. Select colors and fonts that align with your branding. Preview your form to see how it looks to respondents. After finalizing the design, it's time to set up the survey settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. Choose whether you want to collect email addresses. Set notifications if you want to receive alerts for each submission. Return to the dashboard to find your completed Typeform. Click on Share to get the link for your survey. Integrate your survey link with your e-commerce platform. This ensures customers receive the survey after completing a purchase. Test the setup by completing a mock purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.